Hello, all you very young, trendy, whatever the fuck people. I'm Old Man Jones, and unfortunately, welcome to another episode of Old Man Jones Doesn't Understand.
Hey kids, guess what time it is? It's Old Man Jones. He just don't understand. Nuh-uh, he doesn't understand.
Alright, so, as being an old geezer like myself, I gotta say I'm very old-fashioned. I'm old-fashioned with phones, I'm old-fashioned with food, I'm old-fashioned with dressing up, I'm also old-fashioned of traveling. I prefer, if I like to travel, I prefer cars. I mean, come on. Cars are 100% better to drive in. Sure, there's a few accidents, but hey, I feel a whole lot better on the ground. Occasionally, I'll take planes. I mean, as long as there's no terrorists. But the one thing that I kind of have a little bit of a gripe with is most definitely boats. I do not trust boats. But do you know what I love to trust? The internet. I love and the way the internet provides what happens if you're on a boat. Well, a better way to discuss it is to look at videos. Some very stupid videos about boats. Basically, people who fail at them. There is so much of these people who are just doing stupid shit. It don't matter if you're trying to go on land. It don't matter if you want to do a cool trick. You're still failing like a poor sap that you are. So, without further ado. Oh no, I'm a meme now. What the fuck was that? I don't fucking know. Fucking know. This is boat fails or whatever the fuck. Okay, this one in particular is a group of guys in a boat. That one particular guy is ski boating, whatever the fuck you call it. And this guy is just using the motorboat. And watch what happens. Way to go, jackass! You nearly ran your friend over. I hope he doesn't sue you if he has a broken femur. Seriously, don't the guys from Jackass do this shit? I was right. I was right. They're falling over. They're falling over. Yep. One of them is about to fall. It's gonna be incredibly stupid. Abandon ship. Abandon ship! Oh! What a poor motherfucker! See, if God wanted us to float, He would have gave us wings. Or was it a different phrase? Did I leave the stove on? Alright, this one has a guy and some type of platoon boat thing. And that fucking thing! It can barely support your fat ass! Alright, this is an absolute classic. Oh my god! It's a classic. This one's been shown like so many times. So absurd. I don't know why I'm laughing at this, because I have a feeling half of these people are possibly like injured. But that one guy steering the boat, he just flops over like a fucking doll. I'm a puppet and I don't flop over like that.
Are you okay?
I hate you for that. This one girl flips over, and another falls on top of her, and I think her sunglasses fell over too? I really, really don't trust this shit. I get paranoid over this.
Welcome back. Ready?
Oh shit, don't do it. Oh, don't do it. Don't. Oh god. Oh god, I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. I think I'm gonna have a stroke. Honestly, I don't know who got it bad. The woman that fell over and got now might have head injuries, or the guy who just flew off the damn thing, all cannonball style. You college kids have no fucking intellect in your brain whatsoever. You see, I don't understand this generation wanting to record every single thing that's about to happen. I mean, seriously, there could be like a homeless man wanting food, but you're so distracted recording, I don't know, a bank robbery or something. But this whole topic is about me not understanding boats. I do not like boats. I do not want to be on one, especially on a cruise. I do not want to end up like the Titanic. Thank you all for watching this very pointless video. I hope I can do more of, I don't know, whatever the fuck this is. It's just, don't forget to subscribe to this guy's channel, and hope you see more of these videos and more whatevers. Yeah. Have a nice day, y'all.
Oh no, I'm a